It's the year 2020 and let's challenge ourselves to create something new and something different from the past decades. Let's make something out of laptop bags. These are from a thrift store and it costs $11 for 3. I got extra just in case if I screw up. I bought different types of bags so that I will have different details. I will be making a tongue/goth kind of skirt. This is actually a fine looking bag and I feel bad cutting it. Nobody wants it. Let me give him a new purpose in life. I'm Yanxing and she's Queen. Today she'll be teaching us how to keep our body in shape. And also model too. Let's open up the pieces and see what we can do with this. I do have sketches, never done this before. There's a lot of uncertainty, so this video will be mostly exploration. Here are my weapons. First we remove the strap and let's start cutting. This is easier than I thought. Cut out the handles. Open up all the front pieces. It just slides by. And here are the innards. And I'm done! This is an Asus bag. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Here's a foam protective layer. As you can see, I'm such a pro at deboning laptop bags. At this rate, I will be a really good thief. Cut out the leftover inner lining and now I'm left with the main wire structure. Ta-da-da-da! Here are some of the items that I managed to cut out and obtain. Some zipper pieces, a few of these rings, handles, straps, and a zipper. The rest of the materials, and there's Velcro. I'll keep these two for another project. I'm going to figure out the design. I'm going to try to achieve a punk looking skirt. I have my sketch, pins, and clips. I'm thinking of some pleats. I want to try to use the thicker piece, but it's not blending in. Let me just cut out the excess and the undie. I wanted to make a jacket out of it, but that will require many more laptop bags and end up being more expensive. How about a hanging belt? Make sure there's enough to cover her. Going to use the strap as a belt. Okay, so it will be something like this. Sew all the sides together to make one big piece. Sew in the pleats or folds. Cut a small part of the strap and loop it into the ring and then attach it on the skirt. I clip the belt and sew across the skirt. I placed two adjustable rings so that it will work as a locking system. I placed 2 more Velcro straps on the skirt so that you can walk or dance around without exposing. There's excess material and I'm thinking to add a top too. I start trying out designs on Queen and she prefers the sleeve version. When I'm happy with how it looks, I took out the pattern and traced for the other side. And then I sewed all the pieces together. I don't have enough to hem, but I think it looks slicker just the way it is. Hey, get back to your seat. And here's the final look. Unknown and unpredictable can be really scary, but if you never try, you will never know. Look at her! She's fabulous! I would like to officially introduce you to Queen and answer some of the popular questions that we both created. Who's your favorite designer? Oh, not me? And you're just doing your job as a mannequin? What do you eat to stay so healthy? Spaghetti straps and butter mushrooms, like the white ones. I see. So she likes spaghetti straps with white butter mushrooms. So how do you stop yourself from overeating? You pin yourself? Don't do that, kids. Do I have any issues talking to the mannequin? No. Everyone talks to their mannequins. So here you have it, Queen and me. Interview. So see you guys. Nice meeting you guys. Bye. She's my companion.